Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to delete tags in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. Right in the upper right corner, you'll be able to access the login menu. So go ahead and log into your Shopify account, after which now you'll be able to access this home page where in the left side screen, we can find all the sections we can use for managing our store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So guys, let's go and take a look at how we can get started with deleting tags from our products we do not want to use anymore. Basically guys, it's easy. All we have to do is just click the product section right here at the left side screen. This is going to open up this product list where you can take a look at all the products we have. So what you want to do is open up the product you want to delete the tags for. I'm going to open up my product right here, and guys, in my product right here at the right side of the screen under product organization, we can get started with finding all the tags we are using. So here I have my shirt tag and my sale tag, and let's say I want to delete one of them. Guys, if you want to delete a tag, all you have to do is just click the X button right here next to the tag. Clicking the X button is going to enable you to delete the tag, and if you want to delete it permanently, what you can do is click the save option. So after saving it, now that tag is no longer available and is going to no longer be applied to your product. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.